So I wanted to share with you how we can use our oils aromatically first. Excuse the mum in the background. Now, one of the most simple ways that we can use our oils aromatically is literally just to take the lid off the bottle and smell it straight from the bottle, okay? So we're getting all those aromatic compounds going straight up our nose, breathing them into our lungs and going into our limbic system. A second way is to simply add a couple of drops to our hand, okay? Take a few deep breaths. We can then apply it, as long as we've got a carrier oil, we'll cover that in topical, to our skin and continue breathing it in aromatically. But the third and a longer way to use it is to add them to our diffuser. So I'm just going to turn you around here. And here I've got my Brevi diffuser. You might have a pedal. And I've added water up until the little red dot. And I'm just going to go and add a couple of drops to my diffuser. I've got 2 drops of lemon, 2 drops of lavender, and I'm going to simply put the lid on, and you've got a 2, 5 or 10 hour run time. I'm going to select the 5 because it's constant. And then I've got those oils diffusing away while I'm in the office and I'm breathing in those amazing aromatic compounds. So there you go. That's how you use your oils aromatically.